Hello, how are you? How you doing? I am Juana Martinez-Neal and I am a picture book maker. I am here thanks to the great people at Candlewood Press and the LA Times Book Festival. And I am here because I want to talk to you about my new author illustrator picture book, Zonia's Rainforest and La Selva de Zonia. So, you may know about Alma, which was my first book that I wrote and illustrated. That was Alma and how she got her name, and Alma y cómo obtuvo su nombre. Now, finally, 3 years later, I'm releasing a new book, which is Zonia. And I want to tell you a little bit about the book. But before that, I don't know. I used to live in Phoenix, Arizona. And then in late February, we moved. We packed it all, and the whole family with the dogs and everyone came, and we moved to New England, to the town where my husband grew up. So we are in Eastern Connecticut now, and that's where I'm talking to you from. And since it's finally a little warmer and it's sunny and it's really pretty outside, I thought I will talk to you from here, from the outside, from the patio. And especially because this book right here talks about the outdoors and being outside and enjoying everything outside. So this is Zonia. You get to meet her as soon as you see the cover of the book. This is Zonia. She's a Ashaninka. She's an Ashaninka girl. She lives in the Peruvian rainforest. And in the book we get to meet her, and we get to see her home and meet her family and meet her friends. She has many friends. So what I thought I would do is I will read you the book in English first and then in Spanish, and then after that hopefully you get to love her as much as I do, and then learn the rest of her story. So, Zonia's Rainforest. This is Zonia right here. She is absolutely perfect. Different. Zonia lives with those she loves in the rainforest, where it is always green and full of life. And then we get to see her home, Zonia's home, and her mama and her baby brother. Every morning, the rainforest calls to Zonia. Every morning, Zonia answers. In Zonia's rainforest, green and full of life, she visits old friends and meets new ones. Good morning, she says 1, 2, 3, 4 times. She stops to talk with some jolly new neighbors. Welcome, I live next door, she sings. Now, for those of you who don't know, I was born and raised in Peru before I moved to the US. And so Peru is very special and still in my heart. And I always try to include something about Peru in my books. So this book happens in Peru. The one special thing about the book is that these little birds right here, they're the national bird of Peru. It's called Gallito de las Rocas, or Cock of the Rocks. Now I'm going to read you the book in Spanish. La Selva de Zonia. Bien, ahora, como sé que algunos de ustedes hablan castellano, esta es Zonia. Tan perfecta y bella. Zonia vive con los seres que ella ama en la selva, que es verde y llena de vida. Ven como su casa, su mami, su hermanito. Cada mañana la selva llama a Zonia. Cada mañana Zonia le responde. En la selva de Zonia, que es verde y llena de vida, Ella visita a sus viejos amigos y hace algunos nuevos. Buenos días. Ella saluda 1, 2, 3, 4 veces. 4. Ella se detiene para hablar con sus nuevos y conversadores vecinos. Bienvenidos, viva al costado. Ella les dice cantando. Y lo que les estaba diciendo en inglés y ahora les digo en castellano es que este es el gallito de las rocas, que es el ave nacional del Perú, que es el país donde yo nací y me crié hasta que tuve 23 años y me vine para acá, para los Estados Unidos. Anyway, I just wanted to introduce you to amazing Zonia and invite you to read the book at your library or maybe you have it at school. And she's amazing. She really is. And I think she's going to make you want to be outdoors, which is wonderful. It's a wonderful place to be. And she will probably invite you to think a little bit about how things change and how we are part of this world and how we can make an effort to make this world a better place, and how we can conserve and protect our earth, right? So anyway, that's Zonia written for us. Again, I am Juana Martinez-Neal. I am here thanks to the great people at Camden Book Press and the LA Times Book Festival. Thank you for being here. Thank you for clicking on the video. I hope you are well. I hope you're safe. I hope you're finally enjoying a little bit of spring and the warmth and the sun outside back again. And I hope that we can get to see each other very, very, very soon, safely in person. Until then, stay safe.